let's talk about upload errors and syncing issues real quick. If you have, like you see here, an upload error displayed at the top of the page, your jobs are not going to sync properly, and you might get falsely flagged for not completing a DVIR before operating your vehicle or before completing other work orders. Or it could just be a matter that your jobs are not uploading at all and dispatch thinks that you're not doing your job. Right. So let's talk about why that happens and how we can fix it. Okay. So I'm going to tap on the view word up here. It's going to tell me what the error is. Okay. And I'm going to tap to resolve. And it's telling me the actual start must be earlier than the actual end. So this is an error I intentionally introduced to show locating where the actual start time is and remedying that with the actual end. Okay, so my actual start is 9:25 p.m. on 10/19, but my actual end is earlier than that. Okay, so you can't have your end at p.m. and your start at or you can't have your start at p.m. and your end at AM. That's backwards. So if I switch the two, that will fix this error. And this is a common one we used to see when we were manually filling out work orders. But we're not going to see this so much anymore. So I'm going to click save. Don't ever just click the undo button because it will erase all the information in the work order that you worked hard to fill out. Okay, so now it's synced and it's uploaded. Cool. Some of the errors that you might find are going to be points of contact not having the right email address, or it could be another type of flow issue within a work order that we need to get resolved immediately before moving on to your next job, because we really don't want things to pile up, right? So this is best done when you're connected to Wi-Fi like you see here, because it's going to sync a lot faster than it would otherwise. Okay, so I'm going to back up here, and that's fixing your sync and your error messages in a nutshell. You can also go to your profile, click on the upper right hand corner where you see this gear, and then click on data sync. Okay, and that'll tell you if there's any errors there. And then each and every day at the end of your shift, you should be clicking on manage account and log out. This is going to install any updates that our IT team has pushed through during the day. So make sure that we are logging out at the end of every day and logging back in, so you don't have an older version of software preventing you from getting your job done. So thanks for reviewing this video. Hopefully this is helpful, and happy working.